I don't know why my computer's not picking up.
Yeah.
Yep. I've got to figure this out. It says Zen zone switch. Okay, I can switch.
Good morning. Good morning. Video. She's being a pain in the butt. Come on, get up.
Agree.
Got a nice reversal on them. There you go. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, now I can. Yep. Okay. Yep, let me go take care of these guys. Admit. Waiting, good.
Struggle. Market is struggling.
Yes, it is. Unbelievable. I'm watching this MLGO, trying to get my money back on it.
Somebody's in the way.
There shouldn't be. He's joining, Naj. I got him in to join.
Good morning, Naj. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, NVIDIA. Come on, NVIDIA, let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. The end of the year. Come on, NVIDIA, break that V-Bar. Let's go. Come on.
Morning.
How you doing today?
Good, good. How are you?
Good, man. You know, the market pulled back and now we
What's your target on NVIDIA?
I want to get back to 462.
Cool.
Yeah, I want to get back to that.
And then you can leave your partials in?
Yeah, I'll leave a partial if we get there 3/4 out here. There she goes. Beautiful break.
Yeah, I got it late. I got
Beautiful.
$1.
Can you hear me well on the mic, Mike? Mark?
Yeah. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. Can you hear you well?
Good. Nice reversal on. So we know where the range is, right?
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Morning, Andre.
Good. Looking better on NVIDIA.
Yep. Yep, there goes the SPY.
We got YouTube, Mark?
Yep. Oh yeah. Thanks, brother.
Thank you. Nice on NVIDIA, right? Beautiful. Beautiful candle. Nice break.
Yeah, SPY's just going straight up too.
Yeah, good. Bring NVIDIA back up. We
Yep.
took NVIDIA this morning on this candle here, which was great. Got out and we're doing it rinse and repeat.
Hey, Steve, can you look at the W buy?
Yeah, that is down today.
Yeah, but I think it just hit the support and it bounced back. And what, 235 looks good.
Would
Right
wait
there.
for 250 on that.
250.
Nice
pin
on
that.
NVIDIA.
If you want to pin that, you can pin that.
Nice on NVIDIA.
Oh yeah, keep going.
And check out Tesla. Tesla bouncing back too.
Yeah, I got Tesla.
You just broke the wheel up.
Let me go see where Tesla's at now. Come on, Tesla, keep going. Only 40 cents in. Let's go.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Good
Good
morning.
morning, Michelle.
Yeah, Tesla looks good too. Yeah. At that 240. You already missed that.
We got 238.64.
You're gonna buy over 240?
Push over that 61. This one wasn't part of my trade today, but this looks good right here. Break this 240. I've been listening on the create. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
Welcome. Happy Thursday. Thirsty Thursday.
Mm-hmm.
Here it comes. All right. I'm in.
There she is.
Stop this there. Give me at 97. Let's take some of this off. Get to relax. Let's
Get a little hot. Get a little hot.
let's get to this market here.
Oh yeah.
Tesla wasn't part of my trade today, but let's see what it could do there. That's my target on Tesla. Stop loss. Okay. Where's way by?
Way by 231, 232.
I need it at 250.
250.
We're looking at something else. MLGO. Where's that at?
Whew,
Yeah, I thought you were gonna
1060.
short this. Can we short it?
60.
Yeah, we could short it. It's
I missed the first one, so I never got in.
already there. I sold out this morning on it. I had it from yesterday.
You had short or long?
Long.
Oh,
Come on, Tesla. Run. There we go. Here with 240. Let's go. Come on.
can you set up AI when you have a chance? Mm.
That's Lydia's trying to have some injection. Morning, Kenny. Good morning, Andy T. AI off this support level here.
Yeah, but is it worth looking at it? I mean, it's down 10%.
I mean, anything is worth looking at it, you know.
Well, I
Is
think
it,
you missed a
is it
learning
gonna
or something.
go in your favor? That's it. Is it gonna go in your direction here? We already found support here, broke the support and up. This is the next one here. This level here.
To check ALT.
One moment. It's
Oh, yeah, it's
that
running
level right
ALT
here. All right.
over the top.
You want to wait
650.
here.
842 right here.
Yeah.
Come on.
That's what you gotta wait for. I would. I need more momentum coming up. I would need more momentum coming up.
It's safe to buy over 27, right?
Yeah, or you could
26.60.
wait for 27. Yeah, absolutely. So if the momentum is coming up here, you could get in, and this would be your target. Anything over that, you know, you're golden. But if it's not gonna go there, I'll just wait. Wait for the
But see, if it goes
momentum
back to
to build.
25, will you? Oh, yeah.
I would just wait for the momentum to build.
Okay. Oh, it's been pumping every day.
I'll wait for halt over 9. That's what I would wait for. It's been good today. Look at it. I'll wait for 9.
And this stock was like $2 couple days ago, last week. Now it's $8. Crazy.
People are buying it.
Well, I should have bought a lot at $2.
Yeah. Only if you knew then, right?
Yeah, I mean, like I said, I used to trade it all the time, but then it just crashed, so I stopped trading it.
You got out of your
Never know
MSTR position?
which direction the stock's gonna go. Just gotta. I can't foresight. I can't try to pick low and hoping that's gonna be a big home run, you know? That's the wrong way to go at the market because you'll lose every time. You may win a couple times, but 9 times out of 10, the market will take that back from you.
Let's go, Tesla. MSTR kept going up. You sold out? You closed your position?
Yeah, I took my money and got out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Take
And
your
it's
money and
okay.
move
Let
on.
the stock run without you, man. If it missed, here go. Look at
Tesla,
NVDA.
yeah.
Look at NVDA. We took it up, right? Took it right down, and now take it back. That's 3 times.
Take your money and run
Yeah.
Thursday.
Come on now.
Take your money and run Thursday.
Yeah. Look at that.
Yep.
This was a falling knife. Look at it back up. V-shaped reversal. Right?
I got in late.
Boom. Target hit. You don't need to do anything now. Look. Right? My target is hit.
Oh, yeah.
Look. Look.
So, but you're not going to sell. When are you going to sell? If it comes, retraces to what?
Look. I'm gonna take my profit out, right?
Okay,
Boom.
gotcha.
Okay. There's resistance up here. My phone is late taking out the submitting these orders. Okay,
Take some Tesla too.
look at that. I'm done. If it comes back to my entry, so be it.
Yep.
But 3/4 out, what's the worst thing can happen? It come back to my entry. That was a positive trade.
Yep.
Right? If it continue to run, the partial is running. Right? That's it. Those are the only decisions. Bam. 3/4 out. Move it to your entry. Whatever it is. If you don't want that to out. For me, 3/4 is more than enough. My partial is never gonna erase my 3/4. Okay? It never will be. Now, this partial could run and make more than my 3/4 if the stock continue to run. But if it continue to run, all you do, just move your stop loss above your entry, and still it would be a win-win trade. Tesla is struggling.
Yeah, I took some profit in Tesla.
Yeah, Tesla wasn't my trigger. 3, 4, 8, way by. Keeps going. Oh,
Hi, good morning.
good morning.
Mm,
Morning, Rashad. Tesla.
See back here at this 1260, see if it could break through this level back to the upside. But there you go. That was target. That's the next target if it continue to break down. This is support here. Look at this support level. Over here. It's trying to find support here. Right? Gotta call the bank. You guys see anything? Nvidia looking good. Tesla just having a hard time. Need to break.
I going straight up.
Which one, the SPY?
Buy AMD. I wish I got out of AMD. I didn't keep a runner.
It's good. AMD good.
But I got it out in AMD late, remember, because my internet. So
Let's keep eye on it. MLGO.
Yep.
I'd like to get that back. And man, WHLR.
the wheeler,
Yeah. Broke down.
the wheels on the
Went up to 45 pre-market.
W buy
Anybody want that?
217.
Huh?
W buy 217.
17. Back down.
You got Wheeler today?
No, I didn't get Wheeler today. But you saw the 240, you saw the 45. Look. Right?
Yeah. So how would have you played that? Like, did you miss out on something?
No. I just didn't play it today.
Okay.
I didn't play it today, but I saw it pre-market. It already tapped up here.
So your entry would be 45 now?
45 now if it's gonna go higher or over 40. Back to 40 again, right? This level here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, around 40.
Good day.
How we doing? Yes, sir.
What you said?
I was in a meeting with the lawyers, man. But I already made the money while I was there. I'm done for the day.
There
Beautiful.
you go. I love it, man. I love it.
I set my orders and the robot took care of everything. Spy is flying. What can I do now? I just came into the office now. Said lunch now.
Uh-huh.
So what can I take? What can I take?
I know the
I got
market.
out of Tesla at 242. And then when I opened, Tesla was dipping at 237. So I just got in a few shares. Nothing, just basically 20 shares. Just want to see what's happening.
So Wheeler's at
Tesla.
40 right now, Steve.
Tesla.
That's
Oh,
at that 240.
and now double top. I don't know. Tesla today. Let it come down.
Yeah, I need more volume in here, man.
What's the entry on Tesla?
It was 240 I got there too.
My entry is 237.87.
Yeah.
But I only got like 25 shares. I already sold some. Trade desk not doing anything. People are trading Palantir today.
Nice. Nice on AMD.
Meta.
Nice.
Ooh,
Three.
Meta went up. Good.
Three.
And I was buying the dip on Google the other day.
You made money on Google?
Yeah, I sold. I had 500 shares. I sold. I just kept on dumping that one there. And so now I'm sitting with 150. 134 entry.
MLGO, brother.
MLGL was, hey, we missed it last night, man.
Took care of it last night.
You took care of it? Good. I was out. Did you get out of that one yesterday?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Oh. That's happening on.
I need more support from MLGO.
Oh no.
Let me see if I can take Tesla. I must have Tesla again. That's okay. Let's see. Nothing. Enphase. What's happening with Enphase, man?
Not yet on MLG. I'll wait. Don't
Which
force
one?
that. MLGO. I wouldn't force it yet.
MLG. Oh, ne? Yeah.
Steve, I
Whoa.
got a stock that is up 180%, but I think we can short this soon.
But
Which one is that?
S, Sam, Victor, Fred, David.
Sam, SM, Victor,
Stay food.
And Victor Fred.
Know
David.
about this stock. Here. It's
We're on the
SM?
blue app.
SMVS.
Screen, look at the screen, look at the screen.
Okay.
Sam, Victor, Frank, David.
Sam, Victor,
You traded this one before, huh?
Yes.
SMFS, VFD.
Yeah.
VFD. Safe Foods. Oh. Oh, no, it's still going higher. Still going higher.
It's up 200%. I don't know.
Yeah, it's still going higher. I mean, look at the chart.
Well, it looks
Getting
bullish.
squeezed. It's
As
getting
soon as you
squeezed.
buy, they go short.
Yeah, it's getting squeezed. Look at that.
Well,
Let it go higher than
take a look at it
$7.
right now. I think it's
7
a
to
good short.
750. Want to short it?
Can we short?
Only if you're going to take 1 million shares.
I don't
Then you
have
make
6 million, buddy.
Then you make millions. Oh, AMD is
Nvidia
flying
running.
off. Damn, this AMD stock, I can't understand AMD seriously. I can't predict AMD.
Why?
I don't know. It's very, very unreliable, very choppy. Last time I DCA'd into this thing here, and it will pop and it will bounce and pop and bounce. And when you think it's going to pop, it just bounces. I gave up on AMD. I think I'll only get into AMD when it tanks.
MD looks good.
Ah.
It's been on an uptrend since what?
I know, since last night. It went to 116 last night, and I said, you know what? This thing gets to 180 and I'm out of it because I had it at 118. It popped afterwards. I got out of it. I didn't know it's going to pop this much today. Excuse me.
Hit our target and then some. No.
124.81. Okay. The news was bad yesterday on
Nvidia is running.
Look where it needs to break now. Nvidia.
yeah, we have
Yep.
Nvidia.
Look where AMD needs to break now. That's where it needs to break this level now.
Damn AMD, man. Meta is flying off today. Ooh. Why did you buy so little bit?
That's the question. That's
What's
the
the
question.
answer? Just say.
What's happening with Tesla? How far is she?
AMD.
I don't feel like trading Tesla today.
Take some out of
I don't feel like trading Tesla today.
AMD today. AMD, good. Great trade.
Beautiful trade. MLGO halted to the downside again.
Which one?
MLGO halted to the downside at
To the
970.
downside, MLGO. Yeah, I would like to get that to the upside.
Oh, it just
I'm
dumped.
not gonna force it though. I need to see it clear that area first.
Yep.
Yeah. Right back down to where it pops up from at
1090? No, what is it? What the 1062? That area? Or before that?
860, 890. It needs to find support. Support is down here at the biggest support is down at $8.
Nvidia just needs to go up $1.
Nvidia was great this morning.
Oh, I missed it. And I was I was busy. Busy,
Put
busy.
it on this candle here, reverse it right back down, and then took it right back up.
So one I need to close.
On my wrist. I don't like how you doing it. I don't like how you treat it. Anybody trade anything else?
Nope.
Want to
Anybody?
get into
We buy one under $2.
Uh,
Now it's up a little.
any news on the market? Good news, bad news?
No, job
No
claims
news?
stayed the same basically this morning, so.
It's still fighting over crypto, man.
Yeah.
Who's fighting over crypto? Oh, the boys, the big boys.
The big boys are fighting over crypto, saying, the billionaires, they're using it to fund oil, they're using it to fund war, they're using it to fund,
They're talking about themselves.
yeah,
Talking about themselves.
right.
Hmm.
Tesla looking a little bit better. Come on, Tesla, bump.
Meta. Meta. Lucid. Steve, Lucid is going. Yeah, Lucid is coming up, boy. You still holding it?
Yeah, I still have Lucid.
What's your entry on Lucid? Don't tell me it's 10.
I'll have to go back to my long thing.
Rough idea.
Hey, have y'all checked out SVFD?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm losing on Lucid. I had it at 720.
Okay. What happened with this? What I told you, it wants to go higher, right? Why is this thing gonna pop?
On what?
The SVFD is gonna pop. Watch. It won't come down now. If you're looking at over 7. SoFi, $8.
Let's see here.
I think it's time to look at some of the caps there.
Gotta get over here on that 750 on that SVFD.
Adobe running. My goodness. Affirm.
Firm was good.
Mhm. Yesterday, yes. Look at the stupid Airbnb. 140. Damn.
Firm looks good over this level. Here.
Wow.
This one. I like this. Wow. Look at it. Free market.
That's how you do it, man. That's how you do it.
I love this kind of energy you got, you see.
Yeah, I just told today, I gave instructions to my lawyers because the property I'm selling, they messed up somewhere. Apparently they want 3.5 million guarantee on that. I told them, go screw yourself. Either you sell me or you take it back and give me the double deposit.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, you didn't close the deal yet?
No, we did sign the title, what you call it, the transfer deeds. We need to sign the transfer deed, right?
Okay.
where the property becomes on my name.
Right.
So now they messed up some way in the promissory note that I had to give the municipality a guarantee for $3.5 million euros for the infrastructure. So if I don't build the infrastructure, the municipality is responsible in doing that because I'm creating so many homes. So they messed up on the transfer of the warranty of the guarantee to me. So if I don't do anything, they are liable of doing the infrastructure. So they want me to take responsibility for that. I said, no. I will provide the guarantees. I will do the stuff, but not now.
Yeah, you
So
gotta
if
build
you,
it first and then build it.
yeah. So if you don't want to, take the property back, give me double deposit.
Yeah, give me my money back.
Yeah.
That's what I would do.
Yeah, and if that means I have to sit in the case court case for a year, I don't mind. You're not selling that property anyway.
Well, they'd be losing money, and it could have
They'll
been.
be losing. They'll be losing money big time.
Meanwhile, you take your
Well,
money, you sin, and you make all this money in the market.
no, 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 no. So I said, let the chips fall where they may. Hey, what happened with DocuSign? Anything happened with DocuSign? No, still sitting at 47.
Edwin must be in Tesla. Come on, Edwin.
I'm not doing Tesla today. I'm done with Tesla.
Oh man, I've been buying Tesla for the last 3 days and selling it at 245 and buying it back up at 239.
There you go.
I got tired of doing that. Now I want to buy it at 225.
Rinse and repeat.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
Rinse and
now
repeat.
I want to buy it at 225.
It's good when a stock gives you that opportunity to do that.
Yeah.
That's what you want to do. You know, you
Mhm.
see it, repeat that same thing until it change, until the momentum change.
Yeah.
You know, take advantage of those. If you see it, take it.
Well,
Yeah.
I got entry at 237. Let it play out. I got entry at 237.
Oh, you gotta break
Waiting.
this stuff in here.
I'm not going to go buy now at 241 now. I missed entry. So I'm not going to do anything with 25 shares. So might as well just wait now.
Oh, you saw Wheeler, right? You thought 40 was the breakout. Look at the 40. Got rejected and bounced right back down, right?
Did? I didn't look at it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
So I need momentum in it to take it up, you know? I need something.
Pie coming down, boys.
This is what I like to see in stock. Okay, I like to see these type of movement, right? Downward, upward, you know. AMD, upward. Now you see the trend changes, right? Boom. Okay.
It's beautiful,
I guess
AMD.
same with Nvidia.
Yeah.
We buy. Are you shorting it?
Boom.
We buy. Are you shorting it?
No.
Okay. Smaller price.
Took my price out of it.
Rebuy was vaulted. It fell off yesterday, I think so. We're talking about rebuy yesterday. Yeah, it just tanked yesterday from $4 to wow, $2 and still going lower still. Wow.
Yesterday.
Yeah. I know somebody got caught with what I want to expect.
Where did I get it at yesterday? What was it?
I
Mark
think 226 or 228.
220. Where was it? I got it somewhere down here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yesterday, and I sold out this morning for the market.
Which one?
We buy.
Oh, okay.
I wanted to sell it out at $3, but it didn't. But I sold out somewhere down here, like 275. But that was it for me on WeBuy. Now, if it comes up, I would like to attack it at this 224.
Tesla running. Tesla running. Ah, damn. Could have got him.
Anybody still in that Tesla trade?
Yep, I got a.
Yeah, I got back in at 239.
Good,
Mhm.
good.
Yeah, I'm in it too.
Nice.
Yeah.
Good job. Good morning, Carl. How you doing?
Should have went back into
I
AMD.
should have added on that pullback.
Oh, and you
Hey, how
short
you
it.
doing today? Mike, how you doing today? Andy T, how you doing today? Good morning. Happy
Thank you,
Thursday.
Steve. Thank you for asking.
Welcome. Slow day, you know.
All good.
We just gotta
Yeah,
wait for these
hoping some
stocks to
reversals.
mature.
Hoping some reversals later on.
Yes. Good, good. If you miss it now, there's always later. Just remember that. Don't feel like you missed out on anything.
I don't feel like trading today. I want to take a break.
Okay.
I'm done for the day.
Good. How does that feel, Yasin? That you could come into the market and say, I'm done for the day,
Yeah, I'm done.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I'm done.
That's beautiful, man. That's beautiful. It wasn't like that a couple months ago, was
Yeah.
No, I was fighting.
it?
I was fighting and fighting and fighting.
I want to say the
You're
same
over
thing.
trading.
Once I get some training from Steve, I will say the same thing.
You will. You will. You have the tools now. So now all you got to do is just follow. Follow it.
Baba is moving.
Yeah, I was checking on Baba too.
Market is like yesterday.
Baba.
72.36 top. I got Baba at 74, man. I don't want to add more. So much bad news on Disney, and now Disney's up. They just wanted to buy it cheaper.
Reverse psychology.
Google. If I just sell all my Google, I'm done for 2 days.
Hey, check out SMCT.
SMCT.
Yeah. No, SMTC.
F
No, it's SMTC.
S
MTC.
TOC. Sugar Mango Papa. Tango.
Charlie.
Charlie. I don't have it.
Sam Michael Tom Charlie.
I don't see it. Sam Michael. Tom Charlie. Okay.
Some resistance up there at the top there.
You won't believe it. I looked at this one. Oh, I looked at it yesterday. I think I looked at this one yesterday. Wow, it popped nice. Semtech, yeah.
Got to break that level. 2060.
Grayscale Bitcoin. $3. Aqua Bounty, 3.6. Yes, baby. Keep on going. You know what's my cost on Aqua Bounty? I double check, Steve.
How much?
I think it's like oh God. Oh, I don't know. I'm gonna get out of this one here. Shit.
Where it got to get to?
$64. $64. It's my cost on that one then, because they reverse split the stock. So I'm never getting there. It's gonna take a hit. I got 450 shares. I'm down 27K, 94%. I'm not getting there. I'm just gonna take a hit on that one there.
Tesla, baby. Look
Con-
at that. Come on now.
Nice.
Nice.
Sell it. What's the target on Tesla?
We already hit our target. And
Oh,
then
yeah?
some. It's our target. Next one it's gotta break is this one up top there. Right there.
Did you sell Tesla?
Huh?
Did you sell Tesla?
No, I didn't sell Tesla yet. I'm still in it. I hit my first target. It's going.
Yeah, buddy.
I pulled some partial out of Tesla.
Yeah, there you go. Take
I
your
got
money.
25 shares.
Take your money. There you go. Can't ask for anything more than that, man. Well, we take some
Done.
partial out of Tesla. Give yourself a round of applause. Great trade, guys.
Yep.
That's how we do it. Taking it from the market. That's it. That's it. Small base hit. All right? Small base hit. Small base hit. Keep going.
If you look at it on the daily, it's slowly been trending up.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but look at the whole. Look at the full trend. It's making higher, lower highs. Look at that.
Yeah.
If you look at it on a daily, the highest was 299, then it was 277, 266, and now 252. And today is 242. So if it goes above 242, yeah, we can see around 260. But if
Yeah,
it doesn't break over
like
240,
like a wedge.
yeah, it's coming down. See, this baby is coming down. This baby is coming out.
245.
I don't know, but if you even go further back, you can see it's been a long trend like that. From
Yes,
the
long. If you look at it on a weekly, it's
Yeah,
a
it's like
downward trend. Yeah,
like
it's downward trend.
from 410,
Yeah,
390.
yeah. I think we're going to see Tesla 187. If not 187, 227, we're going to see Tesla before the end of this year.
Well, they got a lot of ground to cover to come back down.
Yeah.
Tesla's not going down, it's going up.
I think it's gonna go up, man.
Nah,
Yeah.
I
They
know
have that
Tesla.
freaking Cybertruck and
know.
Tesla
Yeah,
6.
yeah, I know Tesla is not going up. I'm telling you, it's not going up. If
It's
it breaks
going to 300,
242
I think.
today, she's gonna come down.
245, man. They get over
One fart from Elon, the thing is coming down.
245.
Once,
One back weight.
yes, yesterday I hit it right, Steve.
Boom. There you go. Tesla's second target. We good.
I went with a friend yesterday. She just bought a Tesla cash yesterday.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. So I went up to the place, and it's like a big warehouse. And so they have like an orientation. A bunch of people show up that purchased a car. And once the orientation's over, they pretty much tell you, welcome to Tesla. And then all the cars in the warehouse simultaneously turn on their headlights and start going, playing to the beat of a Christmas song.
Wow.
And then all the doors on the cars open, and then they start going up and down.
Yeah.
Windows, like this whole show.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, I get it. It's the experience.
It's the experience. It's not necessarily about the car. It's what you get. It's
Yeah,
what you do.
this is It's like more of it's kind of like CrossFit. It's like a culture.
Yeah,
Yeah.
See the
Like
robots there,
die
Reagan?
hard Tesla fans.
right.
I own Tesla, boss. I own Tesla.
Yeah.
Did you see the Tesla robots?
Listen, are you gonna buy Cybertruck?
It's not useful for me. Nah, nah.
It's expensive. It's like 79 grand.
No, I paid 175 for mine.
Hey,
Euros.
what's for X?
I paid I paid 179,000 euros.
Damn. Now it's like what,
Yeah,
80 grand?
not even. Not even. Not
What did you
even.
buy? What
Yeah,
year?
you bought it before the price drop, right?
Yeah. I
You
was
bought
so
it
pissed.
2020 probably, right?
And I was so
21?
pissed, and that's when I started trading stocks. That's when I got into Tesla stocks. And if I have to sell those Tesla stocks that I've got in the bank, yeah, I can go buy myself another Tesla.
So you'd be happy if Tesla goes to 300 again.
Uh, yeah, I'll be happy, but I don't see it doing it now. Not with this market
Well,
245.
share.
usually December is a good
Right
month.
there.
They're gonna have like I think it's like 4 to 6 interest rate cuts next year by the Fed.
We'll get an
That should help
opportunity
with
to
the
buy.
market, I guess.
When Tesla hits 225, I'm gonna go. That's when we'll go buy big time. 5,000 shares.
Okay.
Steve,
Whoa.
5,000 shares?
Yeah, I will at that point.
Yeah.
At what point?
194 or 187 or 224.
Oh yeah.
If it gets to 187, yeah, we'll buy 5,000 shares. And every day we just sell 100, 100, 100, 100. Because it's just going to go up after that.
Oh yeah.
What if it never goes that low?
If you look at it, there was a gap, a daily gap back in that what was it? From November. November 23rd, there's a gap, but it got filled before it started pulling back up.
Hey, Steve, check out GME. Maybe we can short it.
GME, didn't it tank
Yeah.
yesterday? It tanked.
Well, it
I
went up
watched the
today,
GME.
but I think
Whoa,
it's
whoa,
it's
whoa. Okay.
short to WeWeb or something.
Wait. Sorry about that, guys. Hey, what's going up so much in my portfolio? Baba.
Hey,
Disney.
check out
Enphase.
CHPT.
Which one? CHPT charge point?
Yeah.
Short it. Oh,
It's up.
goodness. What's happening, man? I thought this thing was going to zero. Carvana also. I'm telling you, all this shit is going up, man. Look at SoFi, $8. All this shit is coming up.
ChargePoint getting bought out like Volta did.
Doubt it. It's just a pump
But
and
Tesla
dump.
is dominating. What's the point of having a charging station if everybody goes to Tesla's chargers
Yeah,
now?
yeah.
That's very true.
Well, they're making multi plugs.
Well, Tesla said all the new cars are gonna be made for Tesla chargers. So I mean, there's no point.
CP
So what do you think?
CP
Below the
what?
green 15, short?
CHPT. Charlie,
Yeah,
Harry,
CHPT.
Pilot, Tom.
Market's going up slowly, slowly. I think so. Look at that. They're doing it quietly.
Yeah, need to be filled here.
They're doing it quietly. High point. Wow. Oh, we missed this one. Yeah. We were looking at it the other day.
And it's got that daily gap too.
Yeah. Okay. AQB.
Yeah. You need to feel that on the way up.
Lucid. What's happening with Lucid? It's getting squeezed. There's no news on Lucid. I got some Lucid. And she is clean.
Yeah, I'm actually down on Lucid. I bought it because
No.
it's gonna go up because they do have a nice cars.
I only got 75 shares.
I got 500 shares at $6.
No, I had them at 6. I traded it up. I got out. I've learned my lesson with Aqua Bounty and SOS and Ebon and all this junk. Run. What happened with the run? Not running still? Nah.
Paul, did you get out a run?
Nah, you can't. You need 16, man. You need 16. Charge point is coming down. Stitch fix. Where's stitch fix? I saw stitch fix. I saw stitch fix. I saw stitch fix. Stitch fix. Yeah.
Really going on in the market. We're in a stagnant state right now. Chewy. Let's check Chewy.
Hey, Tesla 243. You bugger.
5, that's the ultimate goal for Tesla. It breaks over that, we good.
Well, we only got 100 shares left.
Okay, Chewy. From yesterday.
Running.
Man.
He's getting rejected at 246.50
At what?
on Tesla. The last 2 days. So
You guys want to make good dividend money for long-term hold if you're not day trader? HE.
Yeah.
HE, 10% dividend. It's going to go up to 18 bucks. Walmart is fucked. It is fucked. Block. Microsoft's getting damaged today. Okay. Oh, Nike. Nike's been running. Like Steve says, you can make money on anything. Watch the stock, get your entry right, you can make money on anything.
So,
Right, boss?
yes, sir.
O'Reilly dipped. Get some more O'Reilly in my long-term portfolio.
Ronnie's getting some rejection up here, Paul.
My wife was asking me if she want to sell AMD. She got AMD in the bank.
Why not? She's in the green.
Oh yeah, sure. Her cost is 94.
It's not gonna run forever.
Yeah, I know. Her cost is 94. So I said, yeah, sell it.
Sell some. Don't sell all of it. Sell
Yeah.
3/4 of it out. If you're satisfied with where you at on it, AMD at 94, absolutely.
She got Nvidia at 220.
Wow.
And it's free. That means what she sold covered the cost.
Yeah.
It's free money. Leaving that for my son.
Free money.
Yeah, let it sit there. Let it go to 800 in 5 years' times.
Man, wow. Look at Weeba, MLGO. Down she go. Back
Yeah,
to
I've been
$8.
watching it go down.
$8. That was a nice short. Run. $2.25.
I want to buy O'Reilly, although I'm still green on O'Reilly.
Watch GME on the 15. Anybody likes that? Nice. If we want to come up to this level here, right here, support this level, right? We want needs to come up and support this level right here. It's almost there. And this one right here. It's gonna be a nice short up top here. See what it does with the VWAP. Damn. That would be a VWAP break. The VWAP come up, it's closing this support here. Already did this one. Second, this is the third. As you can see, GME is trying to find some support up here at that 15. That's how I would watch GME. NVDA, what's going on with NVDA?
Stuck. She's
All right.
stuck.
All right, done with NVDA. Out.
What's the price?
This came out
Yeah, what's the price on the NGD?
462. I just
No, I needed to go, but yeah. Yeah, didn't make it.
done with that. $462. I'm on 462. What kind of range NVIDIA is going to do now? Anybody looking at anything here? Oh,
Watching Tesla.
I took my eyes away from it. Second.
Yep.
Second.
Tesla's doing the same thing because the spy's doing the same thing.
Told you SPY was coming down. Told you SPY was coming down.
Tesla soon too.
Let me sell some of the Pinterest. Sure, still got 400 shares of Pinterest. Pinterest is still falling. Yeah, sell it.
Have you seen the daily gap on SPY?
No, I didn't look at the SPY yet.
Like it goes from 446 to 441.
Steve, you think, okay, carry on.
What happened?
Google. You think Google
Watch your Nvidias if you're gonna.
will come
short
back down to 122?
Google?
Hmm.
I needed to. I need to pick up some more down there.
Yeah, I've got it at 134. I think you should just dump this on you. You got 150 shares.
Yeah. Dump it.
I think you're gonna get a better entry.
Watch Nvidia if you're looking to short it, brother. Gonna miss it.
Hmm?
Yeah, I'm okay with that. I'm
Tesla too. Tesla's coming down.
do it easy here.
Tesla coming down. Can we short it? Oh, we missed a short.
See what that be one thing.
I wanted to short Tesla.
Yeah, the SPY coming down.
Get out the partial. I'm good. And I'm coming out of Reid. Finish with that.
The news is tomorrow, boys. On that, on
The market right now.
the news will be tomorrow.
What news? On what?
Hmm?
What news?
Isn't tomorrow the decision on whether they're going to rate do the rate increase or not?
Oh,
Right. Oh,
Aren't they talking tomorrow?
okay. Cleaning up my chart. I'm going flat now.
Yeah, clean up. Clean up.
And B. Okay. B what? Let's see and B here. Short this here. Stop loss is the top.
Okay,
120.
done for the day. Done for the day.
Get a short out here on NVIDIA. AMD. 80. 80. All right, I'm going. Stop loss at the top. Okay. 3. Target.
AMD to the viewer.
what I'm looking for. Okay.
Spy is coming down. Nice.
Yeah. Next thing video.
Oh. I took AMD too.
Huh?
I said I took AMD too.
Let's see NVIDIA. Let's see. $260. VWAP is right there trying to hold it.
Oxy. Come on, Tesla. Do you want to come down? Spy going back up again.
We got on AMD at entry.
You got a nice place to short AMD.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, nice place to short it. Very nice. Well done. Well done. It's not going to 130 today.
So they're right back down. And support their own VWAP. VWAP supports. Hanging on a string.
Tesla. Here we go. Come on. There we go.
Patience, patience, patience. What's
Price
going
trying to
on
go
with
up.
MLGO? Anything on the MLGO? Anybody?
No, watching Tesla.
And BDA, come on. Do your thing. It's okay, come back down.
Yeah,
Somebody watch Disney at 93. Watch Disney at 93.
Yeah. Done with Tesla.
Yeah. Bet that 460 break will be great on this NVIDIA chip. It's just half the.
Which-
Tesla short. $244. So yesterday hit 246. Today is 244. Making lower highs.
Bouncing off the D-Rock. AMD is
Guys,
strong. AMD is strong today, man.
yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Price trying to go back to the VWAP. 457.
SVFD is also making or pulling back up, or maybe it'll go down.
Which one?
SVFD.
Let that bounce off the V-Rock. I don't think it's gonna hold. With resistance here. Resistance.
That's bad, man. Mm. Mm.
MLGO $7 now.
$7 on MLGO. It's gone, man. It's done.
It's gone.
It's done. I should have shorted it when I had the opportunity to.
Yeah, I thought you did. Didn't you once and took it?
Y-
Or no?
Yeah, and
No, you said wait, and we waited.
No, it was earlier we're talking about.
No, he said wait, and we waited. It's his fault.
yeah,
It's his fault.
absolutely.
Look,
Points for sure.
Poof, everything is bouncing back again.
Okay.
Baba. But wait, SPY's coming down. It's just but you know, the SPY was going up, it's doing the same thing, up, down, up, down, up, down, and it just keeps on creeping up. Stocks are doing that now. Is the things have changed in the market.
Absolutely.
Too many traders. Too many traders. Now
Why you think I came out of all my position just to find something else?
yeah, look at Lucid also. It's going up again, creeping up again. Google also creeping up again. Airbnb also wants to creep up again. Let's see if it breaks through the view up.
Okay. Mark, hold me down here. I just gotta make a phone call real quick. Mark,
You got it. I'm here.
What's the news on Aqua Bounty, man?
On what?
Aqua Bounty. Yesterday was $2. Today is $3.80.
It's MLGO just like
21% up today. Cisco also went up. Lucid still going up. SPY didn't make it over the view up. Let's see. One more try. One more try.
It's there at the VWAP. Let's see.
Ethereum 2,300. Wow. Yeah, cryptos are going. Nordstrom ran away. Zillow.
SPY's got, oh, there it goes. It just popped through the VWAP. The SPY, and so did the NVIDIA. SPY's pulling everything up now.
Canadian Solar running up. Open door. Everything is up. Everything is up. 103, 3M. What's down?
Tesla. See SPY. NVIDIA.
Beyond Meat.
Everything's at the VWAP.
XPEF. What the fuck? Here's my XPEF. So, oh, that's Chewy. Chewy went back to 19.
TM just gapped up. That's what it is.
Fubo TV. SPRC. Putting down. Tupperware. Down. Okta. 72.
Yeah, here comes NVIDIA. Tesla. SPY. Everything's rolling up now.
Yeah, SPY broke out. Hey, what's Steve doing with the damn? It must be red.
What? Oh, it's AMD?
Mm.
It's red.
Oh, okay. Only 600. I'm gonna short also AMD at this price.
You're gonna go against your wife? I can't believe it.
She wants to sell it too.
She should.
Oh,
Makes sense
she
to
wants
at
to
least
sell
be
it.
a partial out.
Oh, SPY is flying up, boys. Meta is running away. Okay. So we know it's the big boys that are in play. The big boys are in play. The firm coming up.
Boom. There goes the video.
Yeah, video is going higher.
This the outdoor. That's what I was looking at.
Wow. High point is finally breaking out. Hmm.
What's your EMPH? I haven't looked at that in a while. What's that doing?
I'm not even worried about that.
It came out.
No,
It was up to 111 the other day.
yeah.
107. Okay.
That's
least
the
it's
only one
holding
I'm
above
stuck with
100.
now. I'm stuck with ENPH now, Metaport, and Lucid, LSDI.
Yep.
Get rid of those, then I'm free, man.
You'll get yourself into something else.
Yeah. You know me.
That's your sin. You'll get yourself. I know you will.
I'm addicted. What can I say? Okay, Papa didn't break down today, which is good. Okay. Meta flying up, man. This market is not going down, boys. This market is not going down.
No, they're trying to hold it here.
It's not going down. Look at target 135. Look at that. Any dips is a buy. All the dips are buy on those big companies. They're not coming down. Doesn't look like it. I mean, yeah. Wow. AMD. Fuck.
All right.
The boss is back.
I'm back. All right.
The boss is back. The small talk is over.
Can you take a look at SVFD? Safe Foods.
Hold on 1 minute here. Let's see what's going on with this guy here. Which one? SV?
FD.
Did it go higher? Oh.
What it does? This level here. Yeah, you got VWAP right there. I mean, I'd rather wait till it breaks through. Right? Right this level here. Computer is acting slow today. You have to break this level here. Support, VWAP support too. So to support it, gotta break through before it gets up to this. level.
540,
I won't-
580.
I would take it here. That's just me. I want to see it get through these resistance first. I want to see it up to the VWAP, then bounce off the VWAP and go higher. We're looking for what? About 75 cents here. The upside, that's more than enough. If it gets the momentum high. Need momentum build up for that. AMD is struggling. AMD is struggling.
It's gonna come down, AMD. Don't worry.
Struggles,
It's gonna
struggles.
come down. You're gonna make money. You're gonna make money. Wait.
Remember what I was talking about, AMD and the VWAP coming up and supporting that level? Here she is. She'll support it. Okay? She's supporting it now. All right? So this open up a lot more a profit window if AMD fail at this level here, right to the VWAP. Before it didn't, right? Now it opens it up. So let's see. Stop loss is up at the top here. NVIDIA is still trying to find support up there now. NVIDIA is going to be a nice short too.
Let them go up. Let them go up.
Yeah, absolutely.
Let them. I hate stocks now.
Question is, when are you going to do that short
465.
On what?
for which one?
NVIDIA.
NVIDIA?
Yeah, I want to short it at 465. I break through, I get out of my shares and I reverse it.
But it hasn't even hit 465.
I need to get to 465. I got 36 shares at 464.98.
Yeah, I got AMD. I need AMD to hit 127, and then I can get out of all those shares I have. I've
Oh,
been sitting on that one.
you are an AMD lover.
Mm. I
Mm.
bought that like years ago, and I've just been
Okay.
sitting on it, waiting for it to get back up there. And I'm like all excited right now because I'm watching it.
Oh, then keep it for another few more years.
Yeah,
You're
no,
looking
no,
at
no.
the
I'm literally the point where I might just take the loss.
white-
You waited that long, man. Yeah, you know,
Mm.
that's the thing. If you waited that long, are you going to take the loss now?
Leave it for your
Waited
kids.
that long.
Leave it for your kids. 20 years down the
Yeah.
line, NVIDIA, AMD will be $500, man.
Yeah, but that's the money I can play with, so I can play with you guys more.
You don't need that money. You don't need that money. You can just watch us trade, man.
Yeah.
I'm-
I get so jealous sitting here listening to you guys going, oh
No.
man, I wish I could play with the big boys again.
You know what I did the other day, not to get jealous? I opened a paper trading account
That's awesome.
and I reset that thing there to 100 million. And I just bought shares like 50,000 of this, 20,000 of this, 30,000 of this. You know how much I'm up by? 7 million.
Wow.
I just bought it and I left it.
That's crazy.
That's awesome. And then if you tried using your own money, you'd be down like
You
six.
never do it. Yeah,
Right.
you get too emotional. We get too emotional.
Well,
We
well,
get too emotional.
well, you have to approach it in that way. If you had previously looked at the stock and just because it's paper money, you look at it, look at the entry that you got. If you really sit back and look at those trades now and take it with thought in it without just, okay, I'm just going to buy it. Look where your account will be now with the right
Yeah.
share size.
But
Right.
when we did that, Steve, when I was there with you that
Oh.
day, yeah, it wasn't following day I did that, and then no, I think I did it a day before I came to you. Yeah, that's the day I started with it, and the market was down, and everything is up. Everything is up. Besides, I mean, I was up like 2 million on Tesla. I got it at 200. So that's what I'm saying. If Tesla goes to 187, buy 5,000 shares and just forget about it. And you can make money like whales. The entries have to be right. Okay, end phase. End phase, Steve. $80, 60,000 shares. And end phase is down 1.6 million.
See nothing in end phase right now.
But if you had bought it at that time when it tanked at 75, 80, yeah, like guys bought Facebook when it went to 80, they just bought it and they forgot about it. Snowflake, when it was at 139, I said, let's buy Snowflake at 139. I bought 9,000 shares here. It's up 500,000. Target 107. Apple 175. Coinbase 78. We had AMD, Google and Amazon. Should have never sold those. We had them at 85.
Nvidia is running now.
Good. There you go.
I'll stop out of Nvidia and wait for a pullback. Go flat.
That's not bad.
That's what I
not going.
do. I stay flat if you don't see anything right now.
Steve, what was the three things you mentioned you look when you look at a stock chart to get in the trade?
ELEE.
Environment, levels, entry, exit.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Yasin.
Mm-hmm.
I'm glad to see that we all paying attention. I like it.
Nice.
I like it. You gotta have that. So what kind of environment we in now?
You know what I'm stuck in? I'm
Looks
stuck in
like
you.
a range.
No. Uncertain environment. Correct?
Yeah, we're in a range like that. We're in a range like that. So this is your range, right? This is your range. All right, that's your range. Not going higher, it's not going lower, it's sitting in this range here, and that's it, it's going sideways. If it would have broke out, it would have broke out of this range already, right? But pull back, support, here it are. If it's gonna test this level again, this is where it's gonna break out of, right? And then that range state becomes a breakout state. So from range state to breakout state, all right? So we're in a range right now. And you wanna confirm that range, go to the spot. See the spy here now?
Yep.
Okay. So the spy got to break over this range here. Top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. Which one it's going to win? Who's going to win? The buyers? Boom. Breakout. Okay.
So at what point would you take a long, is it as soon as it breaks out, or do you wait for a retest?
On which one?
NVIDIA.
See, I already had NVIDIA long already. I'll be looking for short. They would have to break over this top here. So 464.37, I want to see it break this level here, and then the next candle open up above. Okay. But if it
So how do you
doesn't-
decide that you're gonna short it or long it? Like, what makes you decide that you're gonna short it?
These support level is broken, right? It retests the short, right? Retest the support, retest the support, okay? Retest the resistance and then break out, okay? Came back down, support, boom. This is support here, bounce again. Came back down, form a new support, and then bounce again. Came back down to the same support, including the VWAP now. So this is a stronger support for NVIDIA now that the VWAP is here. And look at that, bam, all right? So if it's gonna break over this level, I wanna see it over the top. And again, I don't like to trade over the top, but if the momentum is building up to break through here, why not? Not saying that you can't, you can,
Okay.
but you gotta make the decision. Is that what you wanna do? Is that your strategy? You know what I mean? So decision for me, I already have NVIDIA twice already. Do I need to test it up here again? No, I don't have to, right? The next major break that I would look for, because this is what I'm looking for, to take it shorter. I'm looking for this much more out of NVIDIA than less. I don't know if it, because I can't see the future yet, right? I could go to a different time frame and assume that, look, that we mark this orange line here, that's a resistance. It got to get through that. But if we go on the 5 minute, that's 30 minutes. Look, that's where it needs to break, right? If I go a 1 hour, look, that's where it needs to break. Look at the resistance. Keep going back some days. Look at the resistance. Go back some more days. Look at it. Keep going. So with that data, I know that for NVIDIA to get up higher, or even to this target here, to 470, it has to break this level here, right? And even when it breaks it, look at this level right here. Look at this tiny one right here. So from here to here, that's your profit window. With momentum now in the market, boom, break through that, boom, all the way up there to the next resistance. But it has in trouble here. So I'll wait for a pullback. I'd rather wait for a pullback, break this VWAP here and right back down. It may not come back, but who cares, right? I just wanted to do what I wanted to do. And if one of those doesn't show up, then I'm not going to take that trade.
Mm-hmm.
It's just that you got to decide what is best fit you, right? I
Yeah.
already took one here, already took one here, right? Two beautiful trades, up and down, okay? 3 times, okay? I'm good. I'm satisfied. I'm not going to break NVIDIA at all. What I'm looking for is an opportunity to be the best trade for me, right? And not forcing the trade and not going in and guessing. I'm going in with the breakdown.
Yeah, that's what I did. That's what I did yesterday, was guessing. That's why I was.
Yeah, you don't want to guess. Sometimes you could guess, but it's not always. Look at the data first before you decide. Just because it's moving up. Look, I was waiting for here, and it didn't break. Okay. I'm not going to force this trade because the VWAP is right there.
Yeah.
Okay? I'm not going to force it. So what I'm going to do is wait for it to come back here again and break this level. If it doesn't break this level, I'm not going to touch it. If it break this level, you have a chance, but how much you're looking for. Okay? Remember we talk about this other level right here. Look at it. Look at this resistance, and then look at the next resistance above that. Okay? So am I going to waste my time to try to get NVIDIA when I know, look at the resistance here? No. Let it do its thing. It's going to get adjusted at some point. And when it show weakness, then I'll come back to it. And right at this level here, there's some weakness right here. When it comes back down here, and this would be your profit. Break through that VWAP, and all of this would be. Okay?
Cool.
So I know the market is in a range state. I'm not going to fight the market at all. You see what I did? I came out of everything, all my partials.
Yeah.
My partials was way up. I still could have been in my partial, but if I want to get back in the market again and make additional money, I'm going to have to come out of my partial and take those stock from a higher point right back down. Okay? It doesn't make sense having your partial and let all of that window down back to your entry. When you could have get out of the partial up at the high, you already make 3/4, you already make money on your partial. Come out of your partial, look for another entry for the stock to go to the downside.
Yeah, yesterday I basically got in NVIDIA at 464, and that's exactly when it started dropping like crazy.
There you go. 464. Look at it. That's where it's at.
Yeah.
It tried it. Look, try to test it here, reject it. Test it one more time, fail. Attempt it again one more time, but couldn't quite make it. Now it's back. Let's see what it does at V1 now. Okay?
So I got lucky. I made up for all that I lost yesterday because NVIDIA was up, but that was a guess as well. Like I could have been, I could have been screwed badly.
Absolutely, but it worked out. So now you write that down and say, okay, I did this. Is this something I would do next time? You got to write that down.
Yeah.
Is this what I would do next time? What I need to change up next time? Look for this. Look for that when I see that happening. Or when you're going through the emotion like that, you got to question yourself.
Yeah.
Did I do my checklist? Do I look at this? Did I look at the previous level? Did I look at support? Do I look at in the 2-hour time frame on my daily chart? Do I look at my yearly? You got to break those down first before you go back into that same trade to be in that same scenario.
Yep.
You got to look at that. Right?
Yeah.
A lot of times I miss a trade. I missed it. I missed my entry. By looking at something, teaching you guys something, I missed my entry. Okay, fine. Am I gonna
Yeah,
be?
that's the patience I need too, because a lot of the times I feel like, oh, I missed out on that trade. I need to make money on this.
No. Let it go. Let it run without you. Tomorrow
Yeah.
is another day. Next week is another day. Next month is another day. Next year is another year. You understand what I'm saying? So
Yep.
get those feeling out now while it's early in the game, right? Get those feeling out. Get that mindset switch and say, switch it. If a stock run, yeah, okay, there's always going to be another opportunity. Get
Yeah.
that. Remember that. If a stock runs without me, it's going to be another opportunity. If I miss an entry on the stock, it's going to be another entry. Those are the things got to be going through your mind. Don't take it personal. Don't get the emotion involved in the stock, right?
Mm-hmm.
You can fall in
100%
love
right.
with a stock. Like I could tell you, I could trade Tesla, I could trade Nvidia, I could trade Apple because I know the stock by just trading it all the time, right?
Yeah.
The emotion is not in it. It's not attached to the stock now. But when I first started, I'm not going to lie to you, I was emotionally involved in the trade.
I think everybody was.
Yeah, that's normal.
Everybody's gonna. You gonna. But it's
Let's see,
for you to change that as you start learning.
I got a stock
By
for you.
breaking out, boys. By breaking out.
I got a stock for you. AA. Double A.
American Airlines.
No, it's
Oh, yeah.
Alcoa.
Oh, no, AA is Alcoa. No, don't.
Oh.
It's been controlled by the big boys, this one, yeah.
Yeah, I mean right here.
Mhm,
Above the
mhm,
resistance.
mhm.
Ain't nothing right here right now. The volume is not there.
Well, on the bottom, I mean, it's tries to break at 24.50. And if it breaks it, I mean, then to wheel up and then higher it goes.
But you have to break over that first, but there's no volume in it, right?
How do you know there's no volume? I thought people are buying up right now.
It's not big volume. It's small. It's not big enough for me to. Do you want to wait? Then again, see, here we go. All right. What make you think that you want to take this trade to the higher side? What did you see?
Well, see, yeah, if you put a line at 24.50 right now.
It's in a downtrend, boy.
Right here.
Yeah.
It's in a downtrend. You're
You
going to buy
tried-
it for 5
you
years, yeah.
Huh?
Buy it for 5 years, yeah.
What about here?
Yeah, see, see, I mean, right there, it tried to break it first time, it did it. Now it's trying to break and take over the VWAP.
Okay, so you would take this here?
If it closes above, yeah.
Okay,
And
but
take
then
it to
look, you
VWAP.
got VWAP here though. So you're not taking it here. You're gonna have to take it to the VWAP. Wait till it closes over the VWAP, right? So why do that? I'll wait for this major level to break first.
Well, it's not gonna go all the way up there.
Okay, so if it don't go up there, I'm not gonna take that trade because it's the momentum doesn't fit my trading strategy.
Okay.
You understand? It doesn't fit my trading strategy. I need more volume to push this stock up. I need candles like these, right?
The small candles means
Yeah.
smaller volume.
Not saying nothing wrong with the small candle. It's just not enough volume in it for me. Because look, I'll go into this trade here now, right? The volume just died out and just come right back down, right? I'm looking, this is resistant. Look here. Look at this level here. That's another resistance.
Yeah.
Right above the VWAP. So why I'm gonna test right here and test right here, right? It's too close for me. The stock could rebound here and reverse here, come back up here and reverse here. So why risk that? Why risk that? Because resistance is right there. It's too tight for me. That's what I'm saying. For me, it's too tight. I need more, right? And for
I think it's
I think you can show a clear example on that if you go to SVFD, because that one it did go down. Like it went up and then it went right down. I scalped it for a bit, but I got out in time.
Yeah,
But
see,
Yeah, look at that.
it was
It looked
risky.
like it's this support, right? Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. It's support, and you saying, okay, it's coming up. All right. But look at the VWAP. The VWAP is the major support. So I have to wait for it to break this support. This is where we mark it. It got to get over this 672, 673 for even me to be interested in it. Right? Because if it was going to do that here, this is what I'm looking for. This kind of formation at this level here, because this is support, right? I'm looking for this. And for it to do it here, I need to see this kind of formation that is going to take me here. And then when I see this here now I could say, okay, break this level, and I'm looking for that, my target. Okay? But if it doesn't do that, I'm not taking it. So be it. Let it do what it do.
but are you gonna take a short? It's a good short
I'm
right
not going
here.
to take it short now
Why not?
because I'm not trading this. This is not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for NVIDIA and I'm looking for AMD. Not saying I couldn't take this trade, but this is not
Good
what I'm
short
looking
right now.
So basically, he's looking for something that has a lot of volume and that he's
Yes, and a lot of movement.
Because if it's, I suppose, by definition, then Steve, if it's going, the candles that look about the same size and are going sideways, that shows that there's no momentum. Because
There's
if
no
there's
momentum. Yes.
because if you had momentum, it wouldn't be going sideways.
Right.
And then if you're looking to buy as it's approaching above you, the VWAP, you got to think other traders won't be looking at that to buy in, to go into, because there's not much headroom to make profit because you're going to hit resistance.
Right.
Yeah. It's better to, if you want to take it up, wait for it to come down a bit more. So there's a bit of headroom. Yeah.
Yes. So why waste my energy on a stock where the resistance is at the VWAP, where I know that is also an area a stock could reject it. And look above it, rejection. So I want this to clear first. I want all of that to be clear, knowing that, you know what? I left this behind. Now I'm in it. I got momentum coming up.
Well, now momentum is going down. So, I mean,
but I'm saying the momentum changed. You could take this trade, but is it enough momentum to take it right back down here?
It's like $1. It's $1. I mean, it's a lot.
It's a lot.
So this one I'm looking at it thinking there's a better or a higher probability this will work more than the other one we were looking at, because there's room for it to run.
Room for it to run, but look again. Look at this level here. Look here. Look where it's coming support. For it to break down, it has to break here.
Go beyond
so why
that,
resistant here, support here, right? No volume in it for me enough for me to break it down to come back down where it gapped out from or where it break out from, right? I gotta always think about that.
But I got a question now. So see, if it goes up, back up to VWAP, why don't we short up there?
Because isn't that the same issue then? Because you're not cross VWAP, you still got the resistance above it. There's no guarantee.
And you buy short right under it.
But
Hold on 1 minute, guys. Hold on 1 minute. I'll be with you now.
Okay, guys, you guys carry on trading. I have to leave. See you guys.
See you, Yasin.
Have a good one.
All right. Tomorrow's another day.
Keep it
Bye.
up.
Yeah, Andrew, I used to do more what you're on about, like take it with the assumption that it's going to come down. But I think sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I think what Steve does, he looks at it as a higher probability. That's why he's more right than wrong. Whereas when I was doing it, I was more wrong than right.
Exactly it. In the higher probability of success. Not I got it lower, I got it cheap, I got it high for a short, and then it rebounds and goes the other way on you.
Yeah. And my other issue is that I know Yasin was on about this yesterday. I used to average down to bring you back in, whereas Steve says just cut it. If it's wrong, you're wrong. Get rid of it. So I understand a lot of it, but it's applying it in live.
And you
That's the
gotta
issue.
write that down, Andre, what you're doing wrong. It helps.
Could be a good short tomorrow.
Probably a good short even now if you get to be on below that line that Steve was on about. Just, I mean, this particular trade, what is it, 4.34? So it's what, 4.3 if he goes below that?
Yeah. I was going long when the market opened. And then, I mean, I wanted to
I
take a
would
short,
wait
but I
for
did it at
the
6.
volume to come in.
See, at 650, 670, he was struggling. I wanted to take a short, but I don't know, I didn't. See, if I would have took a short right
Then
there.
you gotta watch your next level of support. Is it enough? If it bounces off that support.
Yeah.
I'm back. What's going on now?
No,
Talking about you.
we just chatting.
Okay.
We were praising you, brother. That, you know, you're looking for the higher probability of success.
Yeah,
Not getting
I'm
a
not.
price low. Good.
See, when I trade, I want to be in the best position possible. And if I'm not setting myself up for the best position possible, then at that point I'm gambling, right? Because I'm guessing this, I'm guessing that. I don't want to approach the market like that. I want to approach the market with some science, right? With some data, with some guarantees. You know what I mean? That if it hit my target, if it hit my levels, this is where I'm willing to go. Look how long I'm waiting on AMD. And look what it just did. It just started going into that what? That channel.
Yeah.
Because you wait for really strong confirmation, don't you?
Yeah.
To raise the increase your probability. I heard something once which kind of made sense. It was like I'd rather be late the right party than early to the wrong one.
There you go. There you go. I like that. Absolutely. Absolutely. So even if you come in the market or even a trade, right? This is what you got to understand. You set your plan, you come in the trade, right? Say for instance, okay, this was our target. We enter AMD and this was the target, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now you hit your target, you took 3/4 out, or you finished with the trade because it hit your target. Now AMD ran without you, and you're going to yourself, man, I should have hold, I should have this, da, da, da. Now you're getting yourself emotionally involved. But look what you never thought about. I made my plan, I executed it, it hit my target, and it's a win. Boom, done. It's a win. All right? It's a win. You set your plan, you hit your target, you took your profit, it's a win. It's done. So what, it runs without you. Many more stocks are running without you in the background that you didn't see. So are you going to be emotionally evolving those other stocks that you missed too? You can't be. So why are you getting emotionally involved in this one?
That's a big one to get your head around. So the market's always ready to take your money. Waiting another hour won't. It's not.
It's here to take. It's not here to give. Right? But when the market is in a different state, you have opportunities to take. Sometimes the market is in taking state, right? It fake that it's going up, people get trapped. And why you think people get trapped? Because the market set that up, right?
Yep, I always get trapped.
It set up a bull trap. You get thinking, oh man, the market is going up, I'm gonna get in. And all of a sudden, bam, you get waxed. And you're like, oh, but the trend was up. But did you look at the data? Did you look what's happening? Did you look at some resistance? Did you look at what this is? Did you look at what that is? And then you get trapped. Right? And that's it.
Brother, you got to look at the ski slope on MLGO.
Oh, man.
You got to look at that ski slope, man. That's a black diamond.
That was a good short. All day.
all day.
Yep.
And that's when you just hit. and
That's
just
when you
let
miss
it go.
out and you miss out.
Yeah.
Let it
That's
go.
it.
Are you
I'm
gonna,
gonna
it's
get-
not
I'm
worth
not
looking
gonna
at
get
longs at
all
all,
of
huh?
them every time. I'm not gonna get all of them every time. I could have 5 stocks picked, right? And I'll probably trade 3 of them. I don't have to trade all of them. I could get 5 and just trade 2. I could get 5 and trade 1. You don't necessarily gotta take everything.
The days of June, July, May of trading 10, 16 stocks at a time, they're done for you.
They're done for me, right? I could get into every stock there is because I'm looking for possibility. And I could take the trade, but is that making me an effective trader by getting into 10, 15 different stocks? It's not gonna make me a great trader. It just
If you-
making me look like, okay, I got a lot of green on my chart, a lot of green in my account, but can you see all those stocks and manage all those stocks at the same time? No.
Well, you did pretty well doing that. I guess the market lent a hand to you, but
The
if anybody
market
did-
allow me to do that.
yeah,
But
if
when the
anybody
market
did-
is not allowing you to do that, you think you could do that? Then all those green will be red.
And if anybody wasn't here, you can go back and look at the videos on YouTube when we were on OBS. 10, 15, 16. One day it was 16, I think you had open.
At that point, it was a challenge. See if I could get into make 16 stocks being green. And just showing you the levels.
Yeah, the 251 day challenge was a piece of cake. Dad, you needed something else.
No, no more challenges.
Wait.
What
No
can we
more
give him that's
challenges.
a little more challenging at least, right?
What's that, Pashan?
I need more challenge. I'm late to the party.
No,
Yeah,
the
right.
challenge is what I'm gonna do now is trying to get you in the mindset to be a better trader. That's the
Steve, there's no doubt that I am from sitting here and listening to you over the years. I mean, I'm much better than I am, but I still make mistakes, but I'm working on it.
Look at your sin, where he's come. You know.
Yeah, he used to gamble all the time. Now he's getting better.
Yep.
every day now. What he says, I'm done for the day.
Yeah,
Oh,
yep,
yeah.
and he's out of here.
It's a great feeling to be able to do that. He could laugh now. He could smile now. He could go home and be happy. It changed our whole dynamic. Before it was like, it could dawn on you.
Yep, he'd be on with us till 4. His wife be calling him. Where are you?
Steve, can you look at Snap?
Give me 1 minute here. Let me see something on NGL. Okay, hold on a minute then. NGL. Gonna be out on AMD. So that's my stop loss on it. Okay. All right. So AMD came up now and used this level as support and bouncing. So that's it. Out of my stop loss, I'll wait now. Now I know this level is going to be a critical level to come back down. And if AMD keep going, right, the VWAP come up right here and support this level here. The VWAP come up.
So you're not gonna go long right now?
No, I'm not. Because I'm not looking to go long on AMD. This is what you want to see the VWAP come up and use this support. Now I know this is a strong support, right? If this happened, okay?
Yeah.
AMD continue to go up. That's a trade. The next trade I'm looking for is a short. I'm not looking for a continuation to go up. Okay? I'm looking for a short because I know the higher it goes, the better it's going to be for me to short it. Am I going to feel bad that I missed this level? That was my stop loss. It's okay. It's all right. If you're just getting in, then yeah, you're new to the party. That's a great trade. But me, I'm already took profit, took 3/4 out, getting ready to short it. It turned on me, boom, it hit my stop loss. I'm done. That's one red trade, right? On AMD. Am I gonna put it to where it takes away all my profit again? No. The next time I trade AMD, it's gonna give me even more than what I went in for the first time. So I'm gonna wait for my levels. I'm gonna wait, just wait, okay? Let it run. Look at NVIDIA, running one more time, okay? We still got how many hours left? About 4 hours?
No. We got the 3 hours and 40 minutes. Well, yeah, almost 4 hours.
Hours, 40 minutes.
So for me, I'm looking for what would be great, getting the VWAP up to this level, because I know once it break the VWAP, man, it's cooking time, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I'll wait. Let it run without you. You got to know when to hold and when to fold. I'm flat, okay? So be it. I'm flat. I'm looking for it here. Okay, let it run. Now, the volume coming in, picking up bigger, yeah, you could have opportunity too, right? Over the top. Again, I don't like to trade at the top of any stock.
Hey Steve,
I say it again.
MLGO is halted.
Which one?
MLGO.
Up.
It's running. It's not halting.
It's not. It's halted on Robinhood.
No. Maybe they stopped trading it.
It'll kill the downside.
No, it's still trading.
Yeah, I can't. I can't short it.
Yeah.
Rocket Fuel asked about the Discord JetBlue.
The letter. What's the letter on JetBlue?
JetBlue? JetBlue is JBLU.
That was a nice break on VWAP here. There's support here. What he's trying to do? Short it?
He didn't, I don't think he said. Let me see. He's not in the YouTube. Let me go back to the Discord. Trying to monitor all.
Let's see if you break this support level here. That's it.
Oh, did your short divide? Was that an old
Let's see this level break to the upside, and that's coming through the VWAP, right? And then the top would be your target. Guys, the stock is telling you the possibility. You just got to figure out which one best suit your trading strategy, right? The stock is telling you. This morning, this stock right here, I'm coming down pre-market. This is the low, lower. Oh, this is the low, okay? But come over here, right? At this level now. This is the furthest it wants to go, okay? down, at least for now. Okay? They established that, right? And then that's the high, right? Look what it did. Sideways, and then broke out.
Judge raises possibility of approving JetBlue Spirit deal. I guess that's why I asked what we.
Okay. So that's how I would approach this before the market opened, right? This would be your low. This area here, support, right? If it's going to break this level, it would break this level back down here, target, back to the low. And if it's going to break higher, this is the level it's going to break. But look, test it, reject it, right? Use the support level, and then finally break out right before the market opened. 10 minutes before the market opened. Boom. That's it at 9:30. Pull right back. Okay? Look at it. It's pulled right back to the level here. Then break out again. And now going sideways. Break out. Okay? So here it is at support now. What it's going to do. The next thing you could look for is this breaking this level and right back down to the support area. Or it's going to go sideways. Use this level as support, break back up here. But there's no volume in it. So, not enough volume in it. But those are the things that you're looking for. There's no other option. 1, down. 2, up. That's it. The other one is going sideways in that range, in that channel. Okay? There's nothing else in this stock. Now, when you do that, what is it you're going to wait for? You're going to wait for the short or you're going to wait for the long? That means you will have to be watching this stock. Is it moving enough? By the time you're waiting on this, you could be looking at something else, or you could trade 5 more stocks by the time this stock do what you want it to do. Okay? Not saying it won't happen, but are you willing to wait for it to happen? That's the key. Are you willing to wait? Are you willing to be patient enough to get it? It's there. It's always going to be there. Look at MSS. Look, it's not really doing anything. In that span of time, look, the market is in a channel. Nothing really happening. So this time it's lunchtime, you know that, right? It's lunchtime. Get yourself something to eat, get something to drink. And don't fight the market. That's all. Unless you have a strategy you're working on and just using small amount of capital just to test it out in this kind of environment. Because you got to try, right? If you don't try, you're not going to learn. It don't have to be big quantities. 5 shares, 2 shares. Okay, that strategy worked. My stop loss, my entry, that works. You know, if it doesn't work, put my stop loss back to my entry. You know, stuff like that. I'm constantly working in the background. I'm constantly testing stuff. Anybody see anything here?
No, I'm flat.
Have you looked at CYN?
CYN?
Yeah. I'm just looking at the FinServ list. FinViz rather.
I have to break this level down here. You got one support level here, and you got one support level. I would rather break this one and then right back down here to where it gap out from. Okay? And then for it to go long, you gotta break this level. I'd rather have that. Right?
Yep.
Yep. Back up. You want to test this level here, right? Another level here. Yeah, you can, but why? Wait till it clear all of this. Boom. Momentum, shift change, bam. Okay? Do I want to take this here? That's a support level, right? This is a support level. Could break that, but look, right below that, look at that right there. Do I want to chance this much? Is that what I'm looking for? Before I chance this much, I chance this because it's a bigger gap for me, right? Those are the things you got to have in mind. Is it worth me taking this? Look at the logical on this one. Is this good enough? But look at the price though, okay? It's 40
Yeah, I
cents,
missed that one.
right? For me, I wouldn't take a trade like this, you know?
You would take a snap.
It wouldn't benefit me to take a trade like this. Now, if I'm gonna take a trade like this, I want it here, right? And I'm loading up here with momentum shift. Bam! You saw what I did yesterday. Quick, load up, boom, out, boom, done. Take advantage of the momentum candle. Okay? Let's look at the last 10 minutes. Look at 15 minutes. Look at the 30 minutes. Look. All right, wait for it for here and get back all the way down here. Okay? If I'm going to get it, I need momentum to bring me higher. Test it. 1, 2, 3. Fail. All right? 4 hours. Look at that. Now, this candle would have to come back and beat this level here, which is at this 52 here, if I'm looking at the 4 hour, all right? And let's see when we go back to the 5 minute, where we see, where we stand. Okay? Bam. Look. You understand? Look. So that's the level you would be waiting for. We did this prior to me going to the 4 hour, right? Without even looking at the 4 hour.
Yep.
So I look at the data and plot and go on different time frames to see, is it true? Right? You're just confirming at that point. Right? You're just confirming at that. And what I want is to make the best decision when I'm trading. I want to make the best decision. And if I make the best decision and the trade go against me, I could live with that because that was my best decision. Remember, I can't determine what goes on in the market. I only could rely on my decision making and the way I approach the stock with my strategies. You could have a great setup. As you could see, it happened with AMD. I had a great setup. The stock turned. The stock used that level as support and turned. Okay, I have a security blanket, a stop loss. Right? It turn on me, I'm not gonna sit there and wait, oh my gosh, I'm gonna wait for it to come back. Da 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 da. Get out. Get out. Respect it. Respect it. What you gotta understand, you gotta respect these stocks in the market. You gotta respect it. I have a respect for it. And then again, how are you approaching this market? How are you approaching this trading lifestyle? Is it for fun? Is it to change your career? Is to have financial freedom? Is it to enjoy your family? Is it to pay your bills? What is it that you want when you come into the market? Because you can't come into the market use your mortgage money. You can't come in the market using the money that you need to pay your monthly bills, right?
Mm-hmm.
You can't do that. Because then you're gonna have a weight on you that, oh, I need to make this, I need to do this. It doesn't happen. It puts you in more of a stress, right? Not only you get stressed out as a man, you bring that on to your family as well, to your kids. You know, your kid may be coming in and saying, hey, Dad, I did something great today. But because you've been so stressed out on trading, you make so many mistakes, you'll be like, what? Not now. You know what I mean? And that just relate into your family and into your home, right?
Yep, that's the domino effect.
Right?
Yep.
And then what's going on with Dad? Why he's so stressed out? Why he's always yelling? Why is this? Why is that? And it's because of you're trying to prove something that you could do this and the stock go against you, and now you're emotionally involved. Now the emotion translate into your relationship. And then things start happening, right? Then your priorities is not where it needs to be, right? For me to get into this, I had to save money, and knowing that the money that I'm going to put into this, it's an investment into me. It's just like you going to college, right? You going to college, you're not getting paid.
You
getting
pay
drunk.
them, actually.
You're not getting paid for it.
Yep.
So how I'm not going to take this seriously, how I'm not going to approach this in some kind of way, knowing that, you know what, it's a game changer if you do it right, if you come with the right mindset. But again, in order to be here, let's put it in perspective. If you got to do a side hustle, if you got to do a side job, if you got to do Uber, whatever the case may be, do whatever it is that you do. Accumulate that money so it doesn't involve in what you do on a daily basis, your 9 to 5. Until you get the lesson, till you get the education where you're comfortable enough, then you could start. You're not just going to, okay, I got it now. I'm just going to leave my 9 to 5. No, you gradually get away from it. You gradually get involved in your side also till you come to the point where you're making money replacing your 9 to 5. 3 to 4 months. If you could get it to where it's 6 months replaceable, you made it. For me, I want it to be a year. So if worst case scenario happened, right? I got 6 more months left. I could find a job 6 months, in 6 months, right?
Mm-hmm.
But it all depends on what your approach is. You got to have a plan.
Yep.
You got to.
The first part of the plan is to stick with Steve.
Yes, absolutely.
Don't need to reinvent the wheel.
Steve, can you look at Snap? Steve,
Still,
right above it.
still waiting.
Well, we've been waiting for days.
Okay. Okay. It could be months too, you know, but it
Yeah.
has to get over here,
Yeah, Snap moves real slow.
right? Got to get over there. Ain't nothing happening until it breaks down.
So if it's in a channel, wouldn't you pick it up right here and then try to
No.
sell it on top?
I
No?
wouldn't pick it up right here. I need to break the channel first. I need to break these levels first. Here's your channel. Okay? And
You're not
remember,
gonna trade within the channel? You only
I don't
gonna
have to. You can, because it support, resistant, resistant back to support, support back. You can. That's not my style. Not saying if I see something opportunity here, this is a VWAP break here, which I could have played because that's one of my strategy. Here's one here, right?
Yeah.
To the upside. Not saying there's opportunity within channels if that's your trading style, right? You just got to pick one of your techniques. Or you see a stock like this in a channel, then practice. You don't
Well, I
have to
usually build
deal
a
with
position
big.
now and then start selling when it breaks out.
Yeah. Okay. So here, how you know it's gonna go here? Because break over there, I don't know. Because look, the attempt 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't know, right? For
Well,
me,
the more
to
times it
recognize-
hits, the less rejection it will get. Isn't it true?
the what?
The more times it hits 1480, the less sellers are gonna be there.
It all depends. It all depends. But look, every time it hits here, it got rejected. So what do I need now for this stock to break higher? I need volume to come in. I need more buyers. Right now, there's no buyers. The sellers are heavier here, right? The sellers are heavier here. That's what it's saying. When it rejected like this, it's attempt a couple of times. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. It attempt 4 times.
On the fifth time, it's gonna skyrocket, bro.
Who knows? It might or it may not. I don't know. But I got to wait for confirmation. And with confirmation, what I need inside of this confirmation, I need volume coming back into the stock.
So for you to get in, it's gotta be 490.
It got to
1490,
come into 490. It got to come into over the top. But I want to see this level first. I want to see 485 print. I want to see all of this print. I want to see volume coming in. I want to see this bounce, this RSI break the 70. Right?
I suppose the other question, Andre, is, you know, the last time we rejected from there, it was quite a clear rejection. This time around, it's hovering at the top. So if you trade it with the expectation for it to go down, that's going to be a lower probability that it will go down because there's no clear rejection. So it's been sitting there for the last 20, 30 minutes.
Look, count it right here. Look, 12:20 to 12:45. That's 25 minutes, right?
Yep.
So that sounds like it go either way.
Either way, but you gotta wait.
Yeah.
But the other way it's gonna go. Look what I'm looking at. Look what I'm looking at. Yeah, it could go either way. Look right here. Look at VWAP. Look at VWAP right here, right? Look. Look right here. Look right here. Look right here. Look at the level here. Look at the strong support here, right? So this is the data I'm looking at day in and day out. I'm watching for it. When I make my decision, am I going to trade this stock? What am I looking for? Where is the stock is going to be? What needs to happen for me to take this trade? What is it going to happen for me to get involved? Snap. You like snap? Then that's the level need to be broken. It already show you pre-market.
Dude,
right?
I've been waiting for it, but it never comes.
Patience, patience, if that's what you want. But then again, look, if I want to do it short, there's VWAP is another support. I'll show you another one. You're not really looking at it, right? Because you're not paying attention, right? Look at it right there. So is it worth me to take this from here to here when the VWAP is right there? It don't make sense to me. So I got to eliminate the ones that don't make sense and put higher risk to the ones that make sense, right?
Okay.
So this doesn't make sense for me to trade this stock. I need it to be down at this level here, right? So support here, look where the VWAP is, another support. Is that what I'm looking for? From here, 1476. I'm looking for 5 cents. Is that what you're looking for in the trade? Because that's what it is. That's 5 cents. Do I trade and look for 5 cents? If the momentum was in the stock and the stock was pulling back, or a scalp, like a scalp on this candle right here. It came down here in green and then went back up, boom, out. But I wouldn't trade that right now on Snap. I wouldn't even mess with Snap. I'll wait for Snap to come down here. And the reason why I want to break VWAP, because look what it told me here. Pre-market. Look, it breaks it, boom. Right down, okay? And if it breaks this level here, here's your target. If it breaks this target here, 3/4 out, look where's the next one is, at the bottom. It failed, right? That's it. Some people go on daily, right? On daily. Okay, let's get out of Snap. Clear all this out. And I'll show you something. Because you got different type of traders in the market, right? They all not wrong, okay? But when I approach this trading thing, I wanted to approach it in a way that nobody sees it. I had to find that needle in the haystack that makes sense, not only to me, but will make sense to you, right? I could be profited off it because it makes sense to me. But does it make sense to you? You see me do it day in and day out. I'm at 234? So obviously I'm doing something right, right?
235, brother.
235 now.
Yeah.
Obviously I'm doing something right. So going back to what some traders do, they'll go on a daily and they trade off a daily, okay? Say maybe they look at this on, when was this? This level here. This level here. This was when? 9.5. They've been watching Snap since 9.5, right? Okay. These are some traders in the market, 9.5. They know their levels right here. Look when they took this trade. 2 months later. Okay? 2 months later, they taken this trade. Those are different type of traders in the market. They approach the market this way. Okay, got resistance here on the daily. Okay, this is the support here. Okay. All right, that's support. This is the level I want it to be. Here you go. Resistance here. That'd be my target, right? That's his target, right? Look when they take their target, when they cash out. So we know they're looking at it, boom, 9, right? They approach it here. 2 months later, look when they're taking their profit, right? In this month, look, 11.3. 11.4, right? So 12 days later, they taking their profit. And some traders approach the market like that. And nothing wrong with that. It's just that you're not in it every single day for that. You come to the market, you look at it, and you leave. You go about, do your 9 to 5, blah, blah, blah. In a couple of days, you come back, you check it again, right? If that's the type of trader you want to be, you could be that. For me, I said, nah. I trade in a 1 minute. I learned how to scalp in 1 minute for a year. Okay. Then I switch it up to 5 minutes. And 5 minutes, I think if you could make decision in 1 minute and 60 seconds on a stock, then I need 5 minutes to calculate all in my head on a stock, blase, blase, and make some rational decision and try to trade a stock. Okay. So I found that in 5 minutes, I'm at my best when I trade 5 minutes. I have enough data. I could calculate enough data in my mind and make decision to make trades.
I got a question about that. When the
some
market
people-
opens up, do you still use 5 minutes or not?
Then what?
When market opens up, do you
Yeah.
still use the 5 minute?
I only trade in 5 minutes.
I see. Cause it's choppy. The
It's
first
choppy.
15 minutes,
If it's choppy in 5 minutes, it's gonna be choppy too.
true, but it's kinda hard to see on the, when the market opens. It goes up 1 minute, it goes down the second minute, and how do you know what way it's gonna go?
Remember, it's all about your strategies, right? You gotta have your strategies. If you have no strategy, you're not gonna know. The market will show you your strategy, which one it is. Is it a gap up and go, right? And again, pre-market is critical to how you're gonna approach the day, how you're gonna approach the stock, right? I don't have to set up pre-market. I really don't. I really don't have to set myself up for pre-market. I could let the stock open up and just go in the market and trade because I know what I'm looking for. For new traders, I don't recommend it. I recommend you look at the pre-market so you get a knowledge of which direction the stock is going and set yourself up for a potential trade when the market is open. That's why I do this every single day, guys. Even though I'm efficient and going in the market when the market is open or after the market is open 15 or 30 minutes after the market is open, I still do this every day. Look.
Do you use time and sales in the morning then?
Look, paper, sticky notes all over the place. Because I want to know. I want to know. I want to know what the market is doing. I want to know what the stock is doing. For me to set up for my best trades. If I see something pre-market and I could take advantage of it, yeah, I'm going to take advantage of it pre-market. Why not? Because the opportunity presents itself. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Man, I just noticed an alert that hit this earlier today. For EYPT. I had an alert at $21. And it ran all the way up to 24. I missed it.
Wow. You're not the only one miss it. Look where my alert was.
Yeah, I saw that.
That was great. Wow. Coming back down here to support, right? That support level here. All right. This is only if, right? This is, you just prediction, right? You need momentum to bring it back up, right? Look at this strong support down here. All right. Look, it's not much of a difference. This is about the same width as this one, right? This may be a little bit bigger. But then you need to make a decision, right? If the stock is coming up, what I want this to happen now, I want this stock to use this VWAP like it did there, right? I'm not looking at past tense. We already know the past tense, we missed it. We're looking at the right now. Look, we missed it, right? So we're looking at the right now. What the stock is presenting itself right now. And what this stock is presenting itself right now, it broke out, came back down, and found support.
Steve, can you look at AA?
Give me 1 minute.
Sure.
And it shows resistance here at VWAP. Here we are again, VWAP. So you could make a trade here because you like to trade through VWAP with the momentum switch, right? With volume coming in straight to the VWAP, that would be your target. Anything above here, you're golden. But if I'm going to wait for the VWAP to bounce like this here, right? I want to see this stock comes up to the VWAP and bounce through this level because I know it have a bigger, the strength is big enough with volume coming in. It's going to take it higher right back up top. Okay. And that's how I would approach EYPT. Nothing. Sideways.
It was AA, just AA.
Alcoa.
Yeah, Alcoa.
Oh, it popped.
Coming.
2450, bro. 2450.
Keep coming. That's
So
what
the
you want to see.
momentum is coming.
Keep coming. That's what you want to see. Now, is it going to be strong enough to pull through this level here, right? And then through that level, right? Here's your resistance. That would be your target. Okay? Now, if you like trading to the VWAP, that was a VWAP trade right here, right? Look. Do the resistance. Look. Do the resistance right there. Right? This is what you got from here to here. The volume start coming in now. Okay. Support me. Show me that you want to get higher. Show me. Okay. So this is the level I would wait for. That level. What these are. My weekly. Yeah. Approaches are on them. So that's where I would wait for it to break before I would approach it. But if you were down here and you take it through there, good for you. Okay? But I want to see that. Big support down here. right? So let's look at our AMD, see where she's at. She's up. Look at the VWAP. See it?
Yep.
Okay. See coming up? Create and support this level here. So once it starts supporting this level, look at the space it's gonna have. All right? Or it's gonna stay up here and support and keep going. We don't know. So in the meantime, I just wait. I wait for it to come back down. NVIDIA, I'll wait for it to come down. NVDA, I'll wait for it to come down.
There's a 20-day moving average on AMD at 125.60.
Yeah, look at NVIDIA. Look where it's at. Okay. Some people would want to take it right here. Okay. Let's see what the VWAP does here. Does the VWAP come over in this level here? Support that, right? That's what I want to see, right? Support this level up there. Now, once it starts dripping, look at the room it's gonna have down here, right? Look at the room it's gonna have for it to go back down to this level here. Those are the probability I'm looking for. The $1, the $1.50, the $2.
See if I got a stock that is halted. When I look at it, it's Cat, H, Sun, Nancy.
This H?
No, it's C as in cat, hot, Sun. No, H as in so H, hot.
CH.
Yeah, Sun. Yeah. Nancy, Sun, S, N. Just open up.
Okay, let's approach that. 10. 10. 10.
What are you looking at?
10. Back out to the downside.
Close the gap.
Yep. Yep, close the gap. So I'll be looking for 10.
So it was just a quick pump and dump. That's it.
We don't
I'll
know.
get. And halted. What was that?
Vault it up. Let's watch that. Look at the daily.
Have you traded this one before?
Yeah,
You traded every stock.
Yeah. I tell you, I got a list of stock. Every stock that I have in my chart, it's a potential trade. Right? Look from where I was trading it from. Look.
Oh, wow. So it's a
Okay.
brand new stock almost. Couple
Okay.
days old, couple weeks old.
Ethereum is at 2,300.
This stock opened in March. Ethereum, huh? So if this stock is going to break higher, I want to see 10 breaks. Let's see something here. Hold on.
So you're gonna put alarm and then wait?
Let me see here. We're going to watch it. We can watch it. Nine. I want to see 9. 9 to 10. Okay. When it open up, I want to see 9. What happened? Okay. All right. To 820 now. I want to see if 9 prints. Okay. Let me get this right. Mark, you watching this?
What's that, brother?
Watching this? What is this C8?
DHSN?
Yeah.
Yeah. I pulled it up on the Weeble chart. Everything looks like it's running. It is running.
$820.
You looking to short this?
It's halted now.
How much is 30%? Let's see.
What do you show for your bid and ask on your Weeble for that one?
It's at $8.
$8.
Fee to borrow that is 174. So yeah, it's shortable.
And it's $8 on the ask or the bid?
Both.
Oh, okay, just open now. Mine was like 9. That was Weeble. Crazy. Gonna go into halt again. Yep. Look that way and it did.
$683.
That's what you're showing?
Mm-hmm.
I'm looking at Weeble. I don't see that number anywhere, brother. Anywhere.
Have a good day, guys. Gotta go. See you tomorrow.
All right, Andy.
All
You
right,
too, brother.
man. Good stuff
Have a good
today.
one.
6 80.
Hey, Sean, how you doing today? Haven't heard you.
Sean's here? Oh man, he slipped right in.
Oh yeah. I had a meeting, so yeah, popped in a few minutes ago. Yeah, I'm good.
Must be all the fire trucks around me here, all the noise.
Yeah, I haven't found anything to jump into. It's pretty.
You flat?
Yep. Yeah, I got on just after. Well, time is it? Yeah, like 10:45 is when I logged in.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of sideways action.
Oh yeah.
My Google and Amazon having a good day though.
Mm-hmm. Nothing much in the market right now. 111. $140. Nothing happening in the market. And for CH.
Check out SVFD.
SVFD. Find support. VWAP covering that level there, right? Maybe to break the VWAP. That's where I want it. Right? Let's break that. Break through it. Nothing happening in the market. We've been here before, right? You're gonna see these over and over again. The market is not doing anything. Over and over again. There go that CHNS. Gone. Look at it. Look at it. Right? So just because it pops, right? That don't mean it's always gonna run, right? This is a perfect example of what we were talking about earlier, right? Just because it made this room here and pump, that don't mean it's always gonna go higher. Look what happened. It emptied right out. So that's why I set this up. If this stock is gonna go higher, I wanna see it over 10. And I'm not gonna enter it until I see 10. And then I came back to it and say, okay, it's at 8 something. I wanna see it break 9 first. And once I see 9 start printing and breaking, then maybe we'll have an opportunity to break 10. And none of that happened. Instead of break higher, it break lower, gap down one more time. All right. So now on the gap up, if the stock decide to run, I'll wait for $8, right? Then I'll do a 8 to 9, a $1, right? And then make this my stop loss here. Okay, $1, 1 to 1. Now, if the stock come back up and with significant amount of volume, then I could trade 1 for 2, right? Then my ratio become, I'm risking 1 to make 2. But if it comes back up and it's not giving me the risk-free ratio 1 to 2, then I do a 1 to 1. If the volume comes back up, 1 to 3, right? So, and so on and so on.
SVFD hitting the VWAP now. And just rejected. SVFD.
Let it come. Let it come. Let it come. Let it build. Let's see how strong it is. If it's going to do the same thing like it did here this morning, then let it build it back up. Let it come. Right? Let it build that position and come up. Okay? Going on. We have to scan for something here. Let's see if we find anything here. Going across the board on the market. See what's going on with this stock here. Oh, LRHC. Stock is up 19%. LRHC. Nothing else. Seven. CYA. FTEL, FTEL, FT. It's all stocks that I'm looking at this top gainers. These are all top gainer stocks here. CPSS, CPSS.
Hey Steve, the stock I gave you last time, it dropped like a rock.
Oh yeah. Yeah,
It went from $10 to $5.
that's it. Just like that, huh?
Yeah.
That's why you gotta pay attention. Just because it's breaking out, that don't mean it's gonna run. RYB, RLYB. So from the top gainers, guys. Is this one halted? Anybody know? Check.
No, it's not halted.
Okay,
Nobody trading it though.
yeah, no volume.
Yep. This one's halted again. Do you trade stock like this or not? It's crazy.
It's at $10. I have a better than if it was at, say, $1. You know what I mean? Anything under $5, I don't like to trade under $5, but $5 and above, why not? Not saying I won't trade stock like this, but am I gonna make majority of my money just doing this when I could trade a Tesla and Nvidia, Apple or Microsoft, those big blue chip stocks where I know it's guaranteed of volume and momentum, right? With these, you can't tell, right? Some of them are pump and dump, like this one, got pumped and got dumped. You just got to know how to trade it correctly.
So you think there's a big groups that pump and dump it, or how do they do it?
Of course, it was a pump and dump. Look at it. This is a clear sign to you it was a pump and dump. Pumped up, get your trap, then dump. So whoever was looking at the stock here and got caught in it going up, look at it coming right back down. Right?
Hey, Robinhood or Hood is up at yesterday's high. And there's a daily gap fill at 11, like around 1180 to 1220.
Oh, that's even nice. Look at Robinhood. That was perfect, man.
Check it on the daily.
1150. Look at 1150. 1140. Look at this level here. It broke support here. Boom. That was sweet. Can't beat that.
And look at Snap, did exactly what you said. Went down to 1470.
Right up here, Ed.
Yeah. See that gap? I think I put that in the Discord yesterday.
You just gotta know when to trade the market and when not to. All right?
See, you were right on the money on the Snap.
Oh, yeah, man.
Yeah, I was wrong.
I don't know. I tried. I'll be trying.
I thought it's gonna break it this time. See, I always think it will, but it never does. And I built my position, and
I've been
you
trying
know,
at this trading thing, man. I've been trying. At this trading. I
but
just
see,
see that.
I do have my order set at 14 something, 1450. So if it hits up there, I pick up some shares.
Yeah. That's your channel. No, just sit and wait for the market, man. You know, sit and wait. I mean, I got another 35 minutes or so, and I'll be done. Matter of fact, I gotta make a phone call real quick here. Be right back. Mark, take care.
Got it. GSIW. Take a look at that one. See, now that CHSN is halted on the way up. See that, brother? Yep. Nope, there it goes. Just opened. Just trying to bull trap people in. You in any trades, Edwin?
Right now, no.
No, I'm flat. Yeah, I'm flat too.
I was just watching AMD.
I just keep watching this MLGO just go down. We missed that short.
Be right back, guys. Okay.
All right, brother. Do your thing.
Hey, Steve, can you look at Neil when you have a chance?
He needed a few minutes. Andre.
He left.
Yeah. He'll be right back.
What's everybody trading?
Well, I'm flat. Steve's flat. Edwin's flat. I don't think Sean's into anything.
Well, I can't find anything.
I don't know about
I'm looking
Prashant
at
or
Neil.
Taj.
I want to pick it up right here.
Oh, you're in Neo?
Well, I'm looking at it.
You're looking at it?
Yeah, I'm just
What makes
looking at it.
where where's your resistance level?
Oh, well, 750 right here.
750? Okay. That's a decent level to break over.
Well, there, yeah. You see, tried once, it failed. Trying again. And it's all, I mean, today's
Channel in.
slower of the day.
It's trading right now in a small channel. A very narrow channel. So
Yeah, but
hit
you can,
once,
I mean,
twice.
if it breaks the 750, you can play it till 760, take 3/4 out, and then, whatever. It's
Yeah,
10
but
cents.
remember, it's the higher probability of success. It's not getting it at the
Well, if it breaks
smallest
750, I
price.
mean, I think success could be good.
I got 750. Let me pull up the Weeble chart.
Well, nothing's good. Nothing's going. Everything is kind of stuck.
Yep. All right, Neo. Neo's got to get over.
Yeah.
751.
I'm just watching AMD.
AMD.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so Neo's definitely got to break 751. And it's tried once, it's tried twice, and it's never come. Didn't Zen have this conversation about the other stock with you? What other stock did you ask him about before? I was off doing a project. He said, "Look, it went once, it went twice, and it didn't even go to try to touch that level." Yeah, because it hit that 751 at 1 o'clock, and then 105, and it's never touched it. So let's see. We got three sort of green candles in a row.
Mark, are you talking or what? We can't
Hey,
hear you.
check out Amazon.
Oh, you can't hear me?
Barely.
Oh, wow.
No, I can hear you good.
Oh, okay. Must be you, Andre. You're
Well, I can hear everybody except you.
Weird.
See, you hear what you want to hear. Why, why don't you you'd have to drop in and drop out because I'm clear to everybody else.
Well, I mean, I can hear you now, actually.
Okay.
Maybe my volume was down.
Yeah, I said I got set. It's got to get over 751 over that red candle from 1305, but it hasn't touched it since then. So it's trading even in a narrower channel by a penny.
Are you talking about Neil? What are you talking about?
Neil, yeah,
Oh,
I wouldn't go over 750. It's got to go over the 751 over that 1 o'clock channel, 105, red candle.
yeah, I see it.
And look,
Yeah, picking up on the bottom is always kind of scary.
what happens sometimes when you pick things up on the bottom?
Falls even lower, I know.
Where's the bottom?
The dip keeps dipping.
Yep. Oh, that was me. I don't do that anymore. Because we're programmed to get the cheapest price. We're programmed to get, whether it's shorting, we're programmed to get the higher price, we're programmed to get the cheaper price. But Zen is programmed for the highest probability of success trades. To take the angst of the emotion out of it and just say, hey, I did everything right. The trade worked, great. The trade didn't work. Oh well, I did everything right. So I wouldn't, I mean, unless I see a clear sign. Oh, now there it goes. There goes Neo.
Are you gonna show us your screen, or you're not gonna show us?
What's that?
Are you gonna show us your screen? You don't have everything set up like he does?
No, because I'm on my if I'm on my small screen with Zoom. My big screen, I'm not linked to Zoom.
I got Zoom on a laptop and I got two screens on my computer. I like it like that.
Yeah. I mean, I'd have to end it and come back in. Oh, there it goes. Now it broke. Now it spiked. Let's see if
See?
it completes it.
At the moment you get in, it reverses and goes down.
Well, you've got to look at it.
Well, I'm looking, yeah, I mean, I think I want to pick it up and then put my stop loss at 746. So if it goes lower than 746, I'm out.
And there it goes.
What was the ticker?
NIO, Neo. So it's 2 to 3. 3 to 4. So it's confirmed.
You're not gonna wait for it to go above VWAP?
Well, that's his prerogative. He'll have 7 cents in it. I'm not taking the trade.
Gotcha.
But then you've got more resistance right before the VWAP and then another resistance at the VWAP. So you just got to keep looking at all your levels. That's just not a trade I would be interested in myself.
But Neo does have momentum though.
Yeah, it does. You look at the volume candle. Yep, volume candle. The volume came in on that candle.
Yeah, now we have, I mean, I'll just sell sell, you know, 3/4. Quick scalp.
Yep.
If you buy 1,000 shares and you sell, how much can you make? 10 cents times 1,000, that's $100.
Well, if you're gonna buy 1,000 shares,
No, I mean, if you buy 1,000 shares
if you
and
buy
you
a
make 10
thousand
cents,
shares, it's $100 for every 10 cents, right?
yep.
Loss or gain. Oh, that CHSN popped. And it's halted. Can't get in. CHSN.
Did anybody traded that stock?
What's that?
Did you trade in this stock? CH?
No, I had an alert, but by the time I looked at it just now, it's halted. And I looked down, I saw Zen screen.
If you were gonna buy, how many shares would you buy?
The spread on that was like $1.40
On what?
on the CH.
Oh, was it $1.20?
$1. I saw $1.40.
Wow. Yeah, I didn't. I wasn't
$1.80.
watching. I wasn't watching the bid and ask.
Yeah,
But
I was
I don't like
watching it.
trading. I don't like trading those stocks. I mean, when you get up into the, 400 or 500, when you're doing MSTR or AVGO, it's to be expected.
Yeah.
But, not on a $7 stock.
Yeah, it's a little too risky for me.
Have that spread. That's when I would, if it wasn't fluid, it wasn't going quickly, that's when, I know Zen doesn't do it, but that's when I'd put limit order in. I've actually scalped the stock without the stock even moving, just buying it closer to the bid and selling it closer to the ask. Look at Tesla. Look at Tesla. What's Tesla doing? Nothing. Wow, that MLGO would have been a great short. DeAndre, that's where you put just 1,000 shares in, $12,000.
On you?
No, on MLGO, on a short.
Oh,
And then there's no, I mean, if you look at the chart, there's no reason to ever come out of that.
oh yeah, wow. Yeah, I'm at a 15. If you I was looking at 15 to short it. Man, I should
Looking
have
at
took it.
12.
Yeah,
You know?
I'll be way out. I mean, I'll probably have a couple shares left. Wow, that's a you could have made so much money today in this one.
Yep. So you
Did
miss
anybody took
12
it?
and you make 9.
That's like how many percent is that? That's a lot.
Yeah. In one day.
Yeah, 1550 was the perfect. I saw 1550, then I started looking at some other stuff and I missed it. Well, good thing I didn't go long.
It's what, 9 and 12? It's what, 75%?
That's a lot, yeah.
You made
Check out
75%.
AMD.
AMD is
What's that,
8%
Edward?
off today.
What were you looking at,
This is
Edward?
the third time.
Airbnb?
AMD.
Oh, AMD. Oh, yeah. AMD. Yeah, I missed a couple trades at the open. I had to reset my internet.
Oh man, I missed this trade here.
Yep, and it was halted.
Oh man. Look at that break.
Oh, the spread is now
Yeah, but
38.
it came back down.
25%.
Yeah, I'm just having problem here with a payment center.
Yeah.
It's always the bank, always giving me problems.
And what you think about AMD then now?
To get a piece of this action really quick. Just wait for the person. Just wait. Could do it, really do. The VWAP is still crossing it. Still going. Yeah. Still got to come down. So this support there. VWAP. Get to that 7. See what it does on 8. Did that stock get halted?
Which one? CHSN? No.
Video. You're all up here.
Can we look at ENPH and phase? Like stocks, all the stocks are not moving today. If you missed them.
I'll move later. Move later. It's gotta be patient, that's all. Don't force anything, that's when you lose me. Nothing I want to do, so.
So it's gonna be like this the whole day? That's it?
No, not necessarily. Just gotta wait for more movement coming in the market. $8. Well, that's the top, maybe that's the top. I need the same amount of volume coming in. Back there. Don't see nothing, let me go over it. See, go over the stock rates. CERA. Nothing happening in the market right now. Still stagnant. You already know. Gotta break these levels to go higher. Break this level to go down.
Your voice is very low, Zen.
NVDA.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, it's just me talking, so yeah.
You're talking to yourself, right?
Yeah. As you could see, NVDA up at the top here. Right? To go higher, you gotta break this level here. It did once, won't reject it again. I'm looking for short, okay? I'll be watching this in the background, so I got 7 minutes. Long. We wait for 465 up at the top here, right? It's the market here.
The HSN looks like it wants to run.
Check out Neil. He ran to 50, 56.
And take a flight on this one. $8. 750. $750. $55. What you showing, Mike?
What's that, brother?
What you showing? I can
What am
see
I
it just
showing?
then.
755, 756. Oh, no, that's had Neo popped up. Subliminal, right, Andre? Got me.
Yeah.
745, 749.
See, so you
Yeah.
buy 750 and sell 756, and you're good.
Yeah, that's a little tight unless you're dealing 100,000 shares.
Oh, what?
Boom, 723 now on the bid for CHSN. Yeah, they're just pulling people in. $3 on MLGO.
It's at 3 now?
Yep.
Oh, man, you missed that reversal then.
No, it's no reversal yet.
MLGO?
Yep. I mean, it's hovering.
Oh, it's at $3.
Yeah.
It's getting his butt kicked today.
Oh, yeah, big time. Big time.
So about for 370.
Yeah, I would like it.
Like 412. Man, AMD is strong.
Yeah.
Oof.
It'll be strong downside too when it pulls back.
Look at that climb.
Beautiful.
Yeah, AMD almost down 10%. Wow.
It's gonna be my trade here, in the background here.
Go to CHSN.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch that at that $8 there.
Okay.
So you want to go long on it?
I wanna go long if it, look like it wants to come up. Support. Broke this resistance here, right? Now it's sitting back at it. For me, I want it to do the same thing that it did here. So I'll wait for this level for it to break through. If the volume start coming back. And this
I'm
is at
watching.
$8.
Tesla look like it's coming back up.
Oh yeah. Well, it's in the range.
Break that level. Right, Andre?
Needs
It's
to
actually
break
usually
needs
usually
to
not good
break
to trade at the end of the day.
241.50.
That's 28. 241.50, brother? Okay, yep, right there.
Yeah, to 150.
And is gone. So you just look for short levels now. All right.
Yep, appreciate you, brother. Thank you.
Yeah, you're
Thank you for
welcome.
all your knowledge and sharing it with us.
Yeah, it's that
Thank
kind
you,
of market today, man.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
See you tomorrow, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Have a great
same
day.
time, same
Yeah,
channel.
see you guys
Steve,
tomorrow.
thank you. Thank you, Steve.
Thanks,
You're
everybody.
welcome. Our pleasure.